Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite crash on PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type here percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find here Fortnite game folder. Double click on it. Double click on the saved folder. Double click on the config folder. Double click on the Windows client folder. Now you just need to right click on the game user settings and select delete option. And after deleting this, just to close stuff here and open up a Fortnite and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, I use these steps while playing PUBG and these steps help me fix crashes. I show you guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and right click on where integrated GPU and select disable option. In my case, I already disabled it. So in my case, I get enable option. After disabling the integrated GPU, just to close stuff here. Now, if you recently updated your graphics driver, then that's the problem, guys. So you need to check my video description for this AMD and Nvidia driver link and select the graphics card model and select find option. Same thing for AMD graphics card users. Graphics, select where graphics card model over here and select submit option. Now for Nvidia users, select more versions option and scroll down and find the old version and select the view option next to the old version and select the download option and download the driver, guys. After getting download and install this driver, guys. For AMD users, you just need to scroll down and you can able to see previous versions option and now expand the Windows type and scroll down and download the old driver, guys. But you just need to download the recommended one. As you can see, this is old driver 2020. I'm going with 1 year before, so latest driver is 2021, so I'm going with 1 year before driver. You just need to download the recommended driver, guys. Select the download option and download the driver. After getting download and install this driver, guys. And before playing the game, you just need to open up the motherboard's software or graphics card software. For example, I have this gigabyte motherboard, so I have a gigabyte control center. Just need to select the fan control in your GPU and make sure it is auto mode. After selecting it auto mode, go to motherboard and make sure you selected this full speed option to reduce the CPU temperature. It can be the main reason when you are playing the CPU temperature reached high so that the game can be crashed, guys. So make it as full speed and before entering the game you just need to do these things, guys. So click on the system tray, right click on the unnecessary background applications like this, everything just right click and exit it. So you can see everything, you just need to exit it and don't exit the Nvidia. So now just need to open up the Nvidia app and go to graphics, and if you optimized the Fortnite then select the revert option and revert the optimization, guys. And now open up Epic Games. To library, click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select options. Uncheck all these options, guys. Only check required file. Other things uncheck it and select apply option. And now you can play the Fortnite without having any problem. This way I fixed the PUBG crashes. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.